How to insert your menstrual cup. First thing you need to do is to find the perfect fold for you. So there are so many ways on how to fold your menstrual cup, and the first thing we will show is the punch fold. What you need to do is to place your finger on the opposite hand on the top of the cup rim. Use this finger to push down inside of the base. And let's try 7-fold. What you need to do is to fold your menstrual cup into half. Now pull down the right side so as to form a 7 shape of the cup or the rim of the cup. And let's try the C fold. What you need to do is to fold in half so that the rim of the cup will touch together. Then slowly bend the cup in half together. You will see the point of insertion shapes like a C form. So let's try to insert your cup now. We will try to use the punch down. This is the easiest fold that a beginner can try. And as you can see, the insertion is pretty narrow. So this is your vulva, the outer part, and the vagina is the inside. When inserting your menstrual cup, always remember the vaginal canal is not really an upright position, but rather slanted. And always remember to make yourself calm and relax before inserting your menstrual cup, because the more anxious you are, it makes the insertion more challenging. So this is how you insert your menstrual cup. Slowly but slowly push it all the way up until the stem of the cup is already inside your vaginal canal. To make sure that your cup is already open, what you need to do is to try pulling it out without pinching the base. If there is suction that is happening inside, that means that your cup is already open. Congratulations, you inserted your menstrual cup.
Let's go over the basics of inserting and removing your salt cup. There's a variety of ways you can fold your cup for easier insertion. This one's the C fold. For the punch down fold, you're going to push down the side and pinch the base for a smaller insertion point. And lastly, here's the 7 fold. And once you've found one that's comfortable for you, you're ready to insert your cup. With clean hands, you can gently insert your cup into your vaginal canal, making sure it's underneath your cervix and twisting the base to ensure the cup opens fully. When removing your cup, locate it with the stem and work your fingers up around the grip rings, pinching the cup to break the seal and gently pulling it out of your vaginal canal. When you're done, you can empty the contents in the toilet, give it a rinse, and you're ready to reinsert. And most importantly, remember to properly sanitize your cup before each period.
This is how you insert a menstrual cup, which is commonly used by women during their periods. The first step is to make sure you wash the cup. Favorite way of inserting it is a C fold, so you squeeze the cup and then fold it like a C. You then insert it into the vagina and just move it around a little to make sure it's really secure. As you can see, there's no spillage. When the cup is inside, it creates an airtight seal to make sure that there's no spillage of blood. To remove it, you need to break the seal by inserting your fingers and squeezing the end of the cup and gently removing it. When you remove it like this, there's no spillage of any blood.